Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. For those of you new here, my name is Sweeti. Now when you talk about your skincare regime with your friends, colleagues and family, how many of you actually talk about the concerns related to our eyes? That is eye bags, puffiness, dark circles and wrinkles around our eyes. We spend so much of money, time and effort on our skincare and hair care, but we tend to forget the most important and visible areas of our face, that is our eyes. Believe it or not, the first signs of aging appear around our eyes, and if you tend to ignore it, it will be extremely difficult for you to look after them once the area is affected. The skin around our eyes is extremely thin and delicate as compared to the skin of the rest of the parts of our body. Therefore, it is very important to use an under eye cream and an essential addition to your skincare regime. But for that, you don't have to go to the market to get an under eye cream or to the salon to get an under eye treatment when you can make a DIY eye cream at home. In today's video, I'm going to show you a DIY eye cream which you can easily make it at home that will not only nourish the skin around your eyes, but it will also help you get rid of dark circles, under eye puffiness, bags, and it will delay the signs of aging around your eyes. So please continue to watch the entire video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's get started. And 18 amino acids that keep the dry skin around your eyes moisturized and soft. If you have dead skin around your eyes, the proteins in aloe vera can help get rid of it. The ingredients in aloe vera also help your skin make collagen, thereby preventing new signs of aging around your eyes. Due to its antioxidant property, vitamin E oil has a lot of eye benefits. It helps to improve the skin texture around the eyes. Also, it helps fight the effect of free radicals that cause signs of aging around the eyes, like wrinkles. Besides reducing the signs of aging, it also helps to reduce dark circles and puffiness, thus improving the appearance of the eye area. This eye gel reduces eye puffiness and under eye bags, minimizes the fine lines and wrinkles, fades away dark circles around the eyes, gives your eye
embrace wellness.